Hey everyone and welcome back. So in this video, I would like to walk you through the environment on which you will be doing coding exercises. So in this full course, to make sure that this is not just all theory and you are effectively able to practice each and every concept we are teaching you, you will find many exercises like this throughout the course. Now, majorly they will be after a particular topic where you have to do some questions which are related to that topic and in the end as well. Now, the main aim or the objective is to make sure that every concept which you have learned, you are able to practice in this environment here only. We have tried that each and every question has been very meticulously planned and it will be at a level which will help you to just accelerate your learning. Now, let us see the environment first, everyone. In the left side, you will see the instruction in which you will have the detail about the problem. So this particular question, it asks you to implement linear search algorithm. Okay. Here's the problem description. Implement a function linear search. So you have to write your code here. Okay. So you have to implement this particular function and it will be majorly like this pass here. The function should return the index of the first occurrence of the value in the list or -1 if the value is not found. There will be an array which you will be given and a target. So this is telling what all you will be receiving. You don't have to write the code from scratch. You just have to complete this major function. Okay. It is also telling you what you have to return. And then few examples are there through which you can understand if what you get from the question is right or wrong. Okay. Great. Next, there are hints and the solution explanation. Initially, they will be locked. You can go here and it will say hint will be available after your second failed attempt or when you pass this exercise. Similarly, for solution as well, they will get open after the third failed attempt. Okay. Rest of the things are majorly the same. So they are just as you would see on any lecture. You have the course content, overview, Q&A. So please make sure that you ask any question and we can build a very good community here as well, through which each you and everyone else are trying to answer the question are able to take part in a discussion, right? Notes, announcement, if there is any announcement from our side. Then there are reviews. Okay, so you can see the reviews. Please make sure that you also do give us a good review if you're liking the overall structure of this code and different learning tools from Udemy. Okay, great. So now let us get back everyone and see that how exactly can we code here. Now, since the whole environment is clear that what we have to do, you just have to write your code here. So let's say, for example, here I'm just returning 0 without checking anything. You can check if your code is having any error or not by just running the code from this side, this button. It is running. It is saying that, hey, error, no error is there. If I, let's say, have this print, something like this, and if I run the code now, then it says there is an error. This was never closed on this particular line. Okay, so you have to make sure that you correct this, and now the code will be fine. So this is just checking for your code syntactically if it is right or wrong, hoping to make sure you have not done any mistake, okay, through which code cannot run. Major test of your code will be on this run test. What will happen from this run test button is for every question we have prepared some test cases, okay, where the input we are sending and we expect a particular output. If your code will be right, it is going to give us the right output for each and every of those test cases. Okay. We have tried to mimic proper behavior of websites such as LeetCode and other so that you are very comfortable in practicing in this space only. Once you run this run test, in the backend, those test cases are going to get picked up and it is going to run. And it is showing you now, hey, five test cases are failed while one is passed. And it is also showing you that this one was the one which passed. Okay. And all the others are failing. This means that you have to now check for your code and correct it. Let's say if I return 1, again same thing is going to happen. This one might fail, other one might pass. Okay, great. See. Now, after that, what you have to do, everyone, if you do more than 2 mistakes, hint will get open. See, think about iterating through each element of the list. So this is a hint which is telling that, hey, you can use this kind of a stuff in this particular question. Okay. Again, if you do it the third time wrong, Then you will have solution explanation, in which either the solution will be there if the overall question is very easy, or solution along with a very good commented code. Okay, explaining you each and every step will be there so you can understand. Now, I would expect that you don't jump onto the solution, make these mistakes, and open that quickly. No. First, try to give your best. Even if the hint and solution gets open, please don't see them and try to work on this particular question. Okay. Once you have done this, you can see the hint and then also give yourself 2-3 more tries before you see the solution. Please make sure that you are doing these coding exercises regularly. Don't skip anything. At least try that 60% of the exercises you are able to do. Again, we have made sure that in this particular course, you are getting the best overall experience and you don't have to actually leave and you can practice everything here as well. The questions in future you will see are the one which are asked in companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and other tier 1 companies. So if you are able to practice and do them here, you will be at a very good stage in your interview and you will be able to answer those questions there as well. Okay. So great, everyone. Now, please make sure that you do give this overall environment a try and try to do your first question. And once you're able to do it, then you should be very happy because this is a very good first step in your journey of data structures and algorithm. So thank you, everyone. Let's meet in the next video.